Understanding the right to assemble, a fundamental freedom. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that plays a significant role in democratic societies, the right to assemble. This right allows people to come together, express their opinions, and promote their ideas. Let's explore what it means, why it's important, and how it's practiced around the world. The right to assemble is a fundamental freedom that allows individuals to gather peacefully for a common purpose. This can include protests, meetings, rallies, or any group activity aimed at expressing opinions or promoting ideas. This right is protected by many constitutions and international human rights documents, emphasizing its importance in a free society. This right is crucial because it empowers people to express their views and demand change. It's a cornerstone of democracy, allowing society to voice concerns, celebrate, or mourn together. The right to assemble encourages dialogue, fosters a sense of community, and can lead to significant social and political advancements. While the right is broadly recognized, its practice can vary. Some countries impose certain restrictions for safety or public order, requiring permits or defining locations where assemblies can occur. However, these restrictions should not infringe on the essence of the right itself. It's a delicate balance between maintaining order and allowing freedom. Despite its importance, the right to assemble sometimes faces challenges. Governments might impose excessive restrictions, or assemblies might turn violent. It's crucial for societies to address these challenges by ensuring safety and protecting the right, promoting a culture where voices can be heard in a peaceful and productive manner. The right to assemble is more than just a legal right. It's a reflection of a society's commitment to freedom, dialogue, and progress. We hope this video has shed light on this fundamental freedom and its role in shaping vibrant, democratic communities. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more enlightening topics with you.